Hello, I am OWC Larry and here to discuss what Thunderbolt 4 means for Mac. It actually doesn't mean all that much. Why? Because Thunderbolt on Mac doesn't change. It doesn't have to. Ever since the first Macs with Thunderbolt 3, Apple has always implemented the full capability that Thunderbolt has had to offer. This isn't the case with most PCs. It doesn't matter what kind of Mac with Thunderbolt has this port. All of our so-named Thunderbolt 3 and Thunderbolt 4 peripherals connect. One new feature is Thunderbolt hubbing. This allows us to add more Thunderbolt ports, something we've waited years to do. It's finally possible now with the OWC Thunderbolt Hub and Apple's macOS 11 Big Sur. Yes, to add more Thunderbolt ports, you do need to upgrade to macOS 11, and that's not unexpected. So why Thunderbolt 4 for PC? On a PC with Thunderbolt 3, you don't always have the full Thunderbolt 3 capability set. It's only now with Thunderbolt 4 that a PC is absolutely guaranteed to have everything that Thunderbolt 3 has already provided. Kudos to Apple for always building Macs with all the capabilities that make Thunderbolt the best interface on the planet. Enjoy the best Thunderbolt solutions on the planet right here from OWC.